back to Charisar classes. I am Sagunacharya Budhibhaksham, Vedic Mathematics and Creative Memory Skills Trainer. Today's topic is product of any two-digit numbers. Two-digit numbers will start with 10 and ends with 99. There are total 92 digit numbers. From these 92 digit numbers, you take one two-digit number and multiply with another two-digit number within 5 seconds of time by using our technique. Natural multiplication will take 1 minute to 1.5 minutes of time and it involves a total 3 steps. But here within one step, within 5 seconds of time you can solve. Let's consider some examples here. How to multiply any two-digit number into any other two-digit number within 5 seconds of time. Here some examples are given. Let's do this one. See, 46 into 23. Within one step we try to write the answer. 1058. 36 into 25, this becomes 900. 36 into 25 is 900. And next 65 into 28, this becomes 0 to 80, 20, 1820. Next 62 into 43, this you can do 2666. Next we will find out 72 into 56, this becomes 4032. And next 82 into 26, this becomes 2 and 2132. Like this, within one step, within 5 seconds of time, we can find out by using the technique. Initially, basically you can find out this product within 2 steps and within 10 seconds of time. With practice, with proper practice, you able to do within 5 seconds of time and within one step. You start with 2 steps and you can reduce it to only one step and you can solve also within 5 seconds of time. The pattern, let's discuss now. Now we try to understand the technique and the technique is pattern here. Let's try to learn the pattern and to do very fast calculation. Here two-digit number we are taking, these 2 digits we represented with 2 dots like this. So put 2 dots here, that is a two-digit number, and you are multiplying with another two-digit number, put 2 dots here. So and put the partition here, again put the 2 dots and another 2 dots and put the partition here, 2 dots and another 2 dots. That's it. Very simple. Now this is the units place and this is tens place. Units place, tens place, units place, tens place. First 2 units place digits you multiply and write down. After that units place digit you multiply tens place digit and tens place digit you multiply with unit place digit and add them together and write down. And finally just to multiply the tens place digits and write down. For example, we take some 63 into 26. So let's write down 63 and 26, 63, 26. Now what we do here, these 2 digits first and this like this and this. Let's try here 3, 6, 18 here. 6, 6 is 36 plus 2, 3 is 6. 6 plus 36, 42, write down here and put the partition and 2, 6 are 12, write down here. Now, let's balance this one. 8, you write down here, 1 you can transfer here, 1 plus 2 is 3 and 4 you can transfer here, 12 plus 4 is 16, that is 1638 is your answer. Sir, every time we need to write 3 times this one. No, you don't need to write. When you are learning, in the basic level, you write down like this you practice 20-25 examples. After that, you don't need to write like this, just you can write like this. One more example we consider, that is 72 into 24 like this. So now 4 2s are 8, put the partition, 4 7s are 28 plus 4 32, write down and put the partition, 2 7s are 14, write down here, over. And after that 8 and 2 dropped here and 3 you can transfer here, that is 17, 28. 1720. Like this, within 2 steps you can do. More you practice, then you can also avoid this step and you can directly write from the question to the answer. Directly you can write within 5 seconds of time. No more 3 steps, no more 2 steps, only within 1 step you can write down. Okay. If you like this technique, please like, comment and share. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. If you have any doubts, any other topics you want me to make the videos, just write down in the comment box. I will make on the videos. If you are preparing for competitive exams or academic exams, these are all the techniques are very important. All the best. Thank you. Thank you very much.